Every day, architects and engineers need to bring their visions to life, present their designs to clients, and deliver projects to the community. And that's where MicroStation comes in. From roads to buildings, railways to bridges, MicroStation is computer-aided design software. It's purpose-built to deliver infrastructure projects natively supporting DGN, which is the owner-operator's #1 file format choice. A project-centric environment allows you to set up and configure and enforce project-wide standards. Standards checking tools, along with support for an unparalleled range of CAD, BIM, and GIS file formats like DWG, DGN, SKP, IFC, and SHP that you can open, reference, import, save as, and export. Gives you the flexibility you need to work with any project and be able to handle any job and work with anyone. Intrinsic geocoordination allows for you and your team to work in context in an intrinsically geocoordinated environment. Most projects start with existing data, and it can come in many forms with many data types. MicroStation can read various data types and geocoordinate this data. Once your data is geocoordinated correctly, it is as simple as selecting the correct geographic coordinate system that you are working in and referencing the data in MicroStation. Have you ever had a need to have your project and your designs displayed within the context of a map or aerial image? A backdrop of Bing Maps can be displayed whether you are viewing the entire project or are zoomed into a specific project area. Communicating your design intent or evaluating a design in the context of where it is in relation to the real world has never been easier with the use of MicroStation. One of these features is the ability to utilize context captures 3MX file format. You can use reality meshes to complement and verify drawings. When you use a reality mesh as a starting point, you can then have a completed and detailed view of the existing environment, which introduces a new level of sophistication and efficiency. While these features added to reality meshes open up many exciting new possibilities for working smarter and more efficiently, it must not be forgotten that MicroStation can also read over 100 different formats for vector, raster, point clouds, GIS data, and many other file formats for multidiscipline projects that allow for effortless integration of contextual information for designs. This will allow you to present your designs in the most appealing and persuasive ways using the context of the real world. MicroStation is very stable and effective in handling large set of data and the inevitable multiple file formats that come with big projects. It works with complex modeling and long project life cycles to produce accurate results throughout the entire project, consistently in any discipline. For projects requiring more than just simple drafting, where you are developing highly complex geometry, large-scale, or extremely dense models on a tight timeline, you can rely on MicroStation's reliability, speed, and wide range of mesh, solid, surface, and parametric modeling capabilities, which are used by the most successful design teams in the world. MicroStation offers 3D modeling capabilities. It is very flexible, productive, and easy to use. Parametric modeling is powerful and can save lots of time and effort and make it easier to manage content libraries. It allows complex elements to be edited fast and easily without the need to be manually rebuilt, and also helps reduce the size of the design files they are placed into. Parametric modeling is more accurate. Save time by editing a part without having to recreate its geometry. The use of variations help reduce the risk of errors, both when creating the library and when placing the required sizes. You can decide what a user can change for each component during placement, giving you more control in the design phase. This makes reusing and recycling your content much easier, while at the same time, it helps you to reduce the size and complexity of your content libraries. Parametric cells create intelligent and reusable content, ultimately minimizing the need for remodeling. Users can now create smart parametric models that can be driven by variables and placed as parametric cells, whose variations can be selected at placement or changed afterwards. There is no more need to waste time creating large, ineffective libraries of virtually redundant content. Now you can create one parametric model definition for your content type and define its variations needed in your projects. Parametric components in MicroStation allows for you to experience true 3D parametric design for advanced design modeling, leveraging both 2D and 3D constraints to accurately capture and model design intent. Using named presentations is a convenient way to represent a 3D element with different symbolic representations, such as top or plan, front elevation, side elevation, isometric, and others, all in different view orientations of the model. Perforators will create a cut when placing a 3D element within another 3D element, so the cut will be updated if you move or remove that element. Thanks to property-driven workflows in MicroStation, all elements and components can be enriched with attributes and business information using item types. Item types can attach to all types of elements. Using a pick list makes the tagging of your data very quick, efficient, and safe, and reduce the risk of manual errors. Annotation becomes simple using fields and item types in many annotation tools, such as place text, place note, or place label. Changes are automatically propagated to the annotations in your drawings. Text Favorite Manager in MicroStation hosts a variety of element property types to enable reusable property-driven annotations. The text favorites created in the Text Favorite Manager can contain placeholder fields as well as fields with property values. With text favorites using element properties, updating these fields is automatically based on the properties. This saves a lot of time and increases accuracy when annotating your designs. You can also automate the creating of reports to extract and present data from the design file in a tabular format, and allows you to place associative data into a model placed as tables in the drawings. It is associative because if the geometry updates or changes, the table will as well. MicroStation can also help visualize your data in different and useful ways. Display rules are a powerful feature in which the display of engineering models can be overridden based on a number of criteria. Display rules don't change the symbology of the model. They are strictly for display time. However, the results can be printed to PDF and other formats. Drawing composition is all about creating and composing drawings from your design. In MicroStation, it can be achieved efficiently and easily using dynamic views. Dynamic views encompass several related technologies, sharing a common goal of making model analysis and documentation more interactive and intuitive. These technologies range from the use of seeds files, models, and detailing symbol styles to using saved views and references. Dynamic views allows the creation of live, intelligent views of a design that update automatically as the design evolves, thus making the task of composing drawings simpler and faster. In today's world, infrastructure projects are very complex, with many deliverables requiring data-rich files. MicroStation can help save time by aiding in automated deliverables. You can automate sheet generation with the detailing toolset. This includes options to generate plans, details, sections, and elevations within your 3D model. Traditionally, the laying out of drawings onto sheets is a time-consuming and error-prone process that is done differently by everyone on a team and can cause inconsistencies and delays in getting projects delivered. To overcome this, as part of Plan's production solution for accelerated sheet creation and layout, the Drawing Boundary feature is provided to allow you to quickly and easily define the location of a drawing on a sheet. A drawing boundary is a predefined area on a sheet model which may contain a drawing. MicroStation offers the Drawing Boundary and Named Boundary features to simplify the cumbersome process of sheet creation and further enhance the dynamic views workflow. Using a drawing boundary, you can quickly and easily define the location of a drawing. You can place multiple drawing boundaries on a sheet model. These drawing boundaries can then be populated with content. You can organize the sheets in a sheet index by different categories. Each category is a different folder in the sheet index. Using fields derived from model properties, we can place a text field in the sheet section of the title block for the sheet number. If this sheet is added to the sheet index, this number is derived from the sheet sequence within the sheet index. It will change with any changes made to the sheet number in the sheet index. Vue is the latest state-of-the-art rendering engine that enables you to create stunning rendering easily in MicroStation. The MicroStation Vue rendering engine has been designed to be quick, easy to use, and produce high-quality results. It supports path tracing, which is easy to use, physically unbiased, and capable of the highest photorealistic quality images. It also allows for true atmospheres used for easy and super realistic scene renders. The path tracer uses the latest state-of-the-art denoisers algorithm by Intel and NVIDIA to produce incredible quality images in a fraction of the time, taking advantage of the latest advancements in processors and GPUs. Physically based rendering PBR is the latest enhancement to our Quick Vision display system. This method of rendering provides photorealistic lighting in 3D environments and physically accurate distribution patterns of light and material definitions. Using PBR simplifies the process of creating realistic-looking materials, resulting in a very accurate representation of surfaces that work well in all lighting environments. The ecosystem's materials help you to add trees, grass, and rocks and create very realistic scenes. MicroStation Vue comes with ready-to-use quality presets, making the rendering experience simple and painless. You will be able to perform post-render options to tweak your image after they have been rendered for relighting and to apply non-photorealistic effects. In addition to MicroStation's built-in capabilities for producing lifelike movies and renderings, every user now gets a companion installation of Bentley Lumen RT to create real-time visualizations. Bentley Lumen RT helps any user to produce beautiful visualizations in minutes, thanks to its ease of use integration with Bentley's design modeling applications and real-time environment. Tools in the Collaborate ribbon tab in MicroStation bring together collaboration, synchronization, and issue resolution tools for better coordination among team members. Project collaboration between team members who are spread out geographically or in different teams and from different disciplines using varied design applications is made possible by iTwin Synchronizer. Team members can synchronize their design changes from a design file to an iModel on the iModel Hub using iTwin Synchronizer. The iModel is then available for review to all team members. The flow of information between the various phases of an asset's lifecycle, like design, construction, operation, and maintenance, will be more efficient and seamless by such collaboration. iTwin Synchronizer enables you to synchronize or push your design changes from a DGN to an iModel in the iModel Hub. These changes in the iModel are available for your team members, reviewers, and project stakeholders for viewing, analyzing, and validation. In the iModel Hub, design changes are recorded chronologically, making it easy to track what changes were synchronized, by whom, and when. You can simplify your sharing capabilities and web-based model viewing with iTwin Design Review. It leverages the iTwin Design Review web application, which is a cloud-based design review and collaboration tool. Attach iTwin allows you to attach an iModel from the iModel Hub to your design in MicroStation as a reference. This opens many opportunities for you to consume iModels within your design. Create Issue is a part of the issue resolution workflow. You can create and manage issues with the help of this tool. You can add attachments and comments to an issue for reference. Manage Issues helps you to view and manage issues created for a project. You can view details, attachments, and comments related to an issue in a detailed grid within the dialog. This dialog was previously accessible from the Analyze tab.